sky. 3 fish swimming in the sea. 4 birds in the apple tree. 5 stars twinkling bright and clear. Let's count them all, my dear. Count with me, count with me. Numbers are so fun to see. Using fingers, using toes. Watch how smart my toddler grows. 6 butterflies in the air. 7 puppies without care. 8 cookies on the plate. 9 ducks that cannot wait. 10 bubbles floating free. Count them all with me. 1 red ball that bounces high. 2 kites up in the sky. 3 trains choo-chooing by. 4 raindrops from up high. 5 frogs upon a log, jumping like a happy frog. Count with me, count with me. Numbers are so fun to see. Using fingers, using toes. Watch how smart my toddler grows. 6 flowers in the ground. 7 bells that make a sound. 8 blocks in a tower tall. 9 leaves that gently fall. 10 fingers wave goodbye. We're counting you and I. 1 teddy bear to hug. 2 ladybugs on a rug. 3 carrots in a row. 4 snowflakes made of snow. 5 books upon the shelf. Count them by yourself. 6 crayons, red and blue. 7 socks, brand new. 8 bananas, sweet. 9 toys so neat. 10 toes to wiggle around, making counting fun we found. 1 moon up in the night. 2 eyes shining bright. 3 wishes just for